Hi everyone, good time. Let's crochet this beautiful pouch. For this project, I'm using Alice cotton gold yarn and 3mm crochet hook. Let's start. To begin, make a slip knot and chain 25. 1, 2, 3, 25 chains. Skip the first 3 chains. Into the fourth chain, make a double crochet. For double crochet, yarn over. Insert the hook into the fourth chain, pull up the yarn. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops. Skip the next 2 chains. Skip this one and this one. Into the third chain, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Skip the next 2 chains into the third chain, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. And repeat this pattern by the end. Skip next 2 chains into the third chain, 3 double crochet. 1. At the end, skip the next 2 chains and into the last chain, make 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Chain 3 and turn. Make 3 double crochet into this first space I have. The space between 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet cluster of the previous round. 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. We don't need the stitches here. We need the space between the clusters. Go into the next cluster here and create 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Repeat this pattern by the end. 3 double crochet between the spaces. At the end, I have my 3 double crochet into the last space. Create 1 double crochet into the last stitch. In fact, the chains we had at the beginning of the first round. Chain 3 and turn. For round 3, make 1 double crochet into first space. Into the next space, 3 double crochet. And repeat this pattern by the end of the row. 3 double crochet in each space. At the end, go to the last space and create 1 double crochet and another double crochet into the chains. In fact, I started with 2 double crochet, considering the 3 chains of the beginning as 1 stitch or 1 double crochet. In fact, I have 2 double crochet at the beginning and 2 double crochet at the end. For the previous row, I had 1 double crochet at the beginning of the round and 1 double crochet at the end. From now on, it's the repetition of rows 2 and 3. Alternative rows starting with 1 double crochet or 2 double crochet. And now I'm going to change the color. To change the color, go back a little bit. Don't complete your last double crochet. There are 2 loops on the hook. Now yarn over and pull it through the 2 loops. Chain 3 and turn. For the previous row, I had 2 double crochet at the end, so I start with 1 double crochet, so I have to start right inside this space with 3 double crochet. No need to add another double crochet. And repeat this round 2 and 3 for 3 rows. I'm having 3 rows of green and 3 rows of white. Now I'm going to join my black yarn. Chain 3 and doing 3 more rows with black color. At the end, fasten off, leave a longer tail for sewing and create another one in the similar way. For the front side, make a magic ring and chain 4. 3 chains as 1 double crochet and 1 chain as a space. 3 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 2, 3 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, 1 space and 1 double crochet into the ring. Now close the ring. Row 2, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, 3 double crochet into the space between 1 double crochet and 3 double crochet. Here, chain 1 space, 3 double crochet, 2 and 3. Chain 1. Now come into this corner and create your corner by 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1. Skip the 3 stitches into this 1 chain space, 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from the 3 chains. Row 3, chain 4, turn, 3 double crochet into this first space. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into next space. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1. Here is my corner. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. 3, chain 2, 3 double crochet, all into this center space. Chain 1, 3 double crochet into next space, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 3 double crochet into last space, 1, 2, 3, chain 1 and 1 double crochet into the chains. This is it. Now check if it fits. Yes, it's okay. So fasten off, leave longer tail for sewing. Now I need to join these two sides. For joining, I'm using a tapestry needle and using the tails. Just going front and back. I joined the three sides and this side is open. Now I turn it back. And I consider this side as the front side of the pouch. And now I'm going to join the red part on this back one. Here. We put it like this. And I start sewing this side. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. To watch the other tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Happy crochet!